The legend is back, but not as you've seen it before. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy has returned to claim its throne, carrying forward a name that has become synonymous with toughness, freedom, and pure off-road spirit. For decades, the Gypsy was the ultimate badge of adventure in India, beloved by the army, adored by rally drivers, and admired by enthusiasts who valued raw capability over frills. But now, in 2026, Maruti Suzuki has breathed new life into the icon, and what we have is something that feels both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. At first glance, the design strikes you like a thunderbolt. It's boxy, upright, unapologetically rugged, and yet polished enough to look modern on city roads. The classic Gypsy DNA is there: flat bonnet, square wheel arches, and high ground clearance, but everything is sharper, bolder, and tougher. The front fascia is dominated by a wide grille with blacked-out slats, flanked by sleek LED headlamps that pierce through the night like eyes of a predator. The bumper is chunky, with skid plates that instantly whisper adventure. The side profile is muscular with squared-off proportions, big all-terrain tires, and those signature Gypsy vibes that remind you this is no ordinary SUV, it's a machine born to conquer. But the real surprise lies inside. The Gypsy of the past was Spartan, almost bare bones, designed with just one purpose: to get you across impossible terrains. The 2026 Gypsy keeps that core, but now adds comfort and technology that modern buyers demand. Step in, and you're welcomed by a digital driver display, a touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and surprisingly supportive seats with weather-resistant upholstery. Maruti has made sure the interior is still washable and rugged for outdoor use, but this time you don't feel punished for sitting inside. There are clever storage spaces, USB charging ports, and even a premium audio system to keep you entertained on long journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 Gypsy packs power that truly matches its character. It comes with a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine tuned for torque, paired with both manual and automatic transmissions. But for those who crave serious grunt, Maruti offers a turbo petrol option with hybrid assist, giving you that extra punch when you need it most. The Gypsy is, of course, a 4x4 at heart, and it comes with a low-range transfer case, hill descent control, locking differentials, and suspension built to take punishment. Off-road trails, river crossing, steep climbs, desert dunes, this Gypsy eats them all for breakfast. And then there's the weight. Or rather, the lack of it. True to its heritage, the 2026 Gypsy has been engineered to remain lightweight compared to most SUVs, which means agility, better fuel efficiency, and unmatched handling off-road. It doesn't try to be a luxury SUV. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. Instead, it embraces its raw adventurous soul, while giving you just enough creature comforts to make your journey enjoyable. When you take it on the road, you feel the spirit of the old Gypsy whispering in your ears, but with the refinement of today's engineering. The steering feels responsive, the suspension has been tuned to absorb rough patches without breaking your back, and the stability on highways is leagues ahead of the old model. But the moment you leave the tarmac, the Gypsy transforms. It leaps across mud trails, claws through rocks, and climbs inclines like a mountain goat. This is where it truly belongs, and this is where it makes every other SUV feel like a city toy. What makes the 2026 Gypsy dramatic isn't just its performance, it's what it represents. In a world where SUVs are becoming softer, more urban, more like oversized hatchbacks, the Gypsy stands tall as a reminder of what a real SUV should be. It's not about touchscreen size. It's not about how many mood lights are inside. It's about grit, capability, and freedom. The freedom to go where roads end. The freedom to explore terrains that others fear. The freedom to escape the ordinary. For the enthusiasts who grew up dreaming of owning a Gypsy, this 2026 model feels like a dream reborn. And for the new generation who never got to experience the magic of the original, this is a chance to feel what true adventure tastes like. It's dramatic, it's raw, it's exciting, and yet it's practical enough to be your everyday partner. Maruti Suzuki has priced it competitively, ensuring it's not just a lifestyle statement for the elite, but a machine accessible to those who truly need it: army men, rural explorers, off-road junkies, and families who want a tough, reliable SUV that can do it all. So, is the 2026 Gypsy perfect? No. It's still noisy at high speeds, the ride is firm, and the luxury isn't anywhere near what you get in premium SUVs. But that's the point. The Gypsy isn't about being perfect, it's about being fearless. It's about character, and no SUV in this segment has as much of it as this one. The legend of the Gypsy has returned, stronger, sharper, and braver than ever before. It dares you to leave your comfort zone, it dares you to embrace the unknown, and it dares you to live life like an adventure. And maybe, just maybe, that's exactly what we all need in today's world. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement. The Gypsy is back, and it's here to rule once again. And if you enjoyed this dramatic review of the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Auto Verdict for more exciting and powerful reviews. The journey has just begun, and trust me, you don't want to miss what comes next.